In this unit, we have only two. We have the present perfect and we have the present perfect continuous. In this unit particularly, we're going to contrast present perfect and present perfect continuous. So
Okay.
just in order to remember, we have the recent finished actions. For example, the kids have played for hours. If it is unfinished, you can say the kids have been playing since the morning. If you want to talk about permanent actions, you can say, I have taught English to many students. If it is temporary, you can say, I have been teaching for 2 hours. If you want to emphasize on the result of the action, you can say, he has repaired the car. But if you want to emphasize on the duration of the action, you can say, he has been repairing the car since 2 p.m. And finally, we can indicate how much has been completed this way. He has taken half a year to write a part of this book. Or if you want to indicate how long something has been happening, well, we have two prepositions. You can use for, you can use since, for 6 months or since June 2021. In order to practice this one a little more, again, with conversations related to the perfect continuous form.
Okay, the first one. How many you no, how have you been feeling lately?
Okay, this one can be pronounced lately.
Lately. Okay.
Lately. The letter,
Lately. Okay.
this one is silent. Lately.
Okay. Okay. How have you been feeling lately?
I have been feeling very good lately, but I have been working a lot.
Well, that's great.
The second question is, how have you been getting to work? Or is recently?
Well, have been I have been getting my work for a contest.
But the question is how? I mean, which means of
Oh,
transport have you been using?
yeah, how? That's what the way I have. Yeah.
If you want to mention a mean of transport, you can use by as a
But
preposition, and you can say, I have been getting to work by car, by bicycle, by
I'm
motorcycle.
getting down. Okay, I have been getting my
Hmm.
work by car.
Yes, exactly. That could be an answer.
By car. Okay.
Don't worry. That's the idea of the practice.
Yeah, third one. What have you been thinking about a lot these days?
I have been thinking about a lot of issues or situation to how to resolve one situation, particularly in my home these days.
Okay, okay. All right. Luz.
Question number 4. What have you been doing this week?
This week I have been working and in the English class,
Okay, so you have been working and you have been attending to English classes?
attending my English classes. Yeah.
Great.
Number five, what have you been dreaming about lately?
Um, I have been dreaming about travel abroad, specifically in Canada, because I am thinking in a new opportunity.
So you're thinking to pursue new opportunities abroad?
Yes.
Gotcha. What have you been dreaming about lately?
Well, lately I have been dreaming and improve my fluent English. Yeah, that's it. Absolutely.
Okay, let's finish with one last question.
Okay. Question number 6. What
Mhm.
have you been looking to do with anyone lately?
What have you been looking to do? Well, I've been looking to going out with my wife just this week.
Okay,
This week. That's it.
so you have been looking to go out with your wife.
So,
Okay.
yeah.
All right. Well, my friends, I believe that we can leave it up to this point. I think that we are ready. I believe that you did a great job, that you understand the subject and verb agreement because your answers were pretty good. And in the second part related to the perfect tenses, you also did it well. I believe that you can continue. And if you don't have questions or no comments, you can leave now. I hope to see you in the next one.
Okay, teacher. Thank you so much.
It was a pleasure. See you next one.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. In your case, I recognize that you had some doubts, so I'm gonna leave it up to your decision. What do you believe is the best decision in this moment? Would you like to practice a little more with another teacher? I mean, in a live class, or do you want to practice by yourself with the Richmond platform? What do you want to do?
Well, I would like to have maybe some exercises for to do for practice. Really, in a class, maybe the stress, maybe it's so
Hmm.
fast.
Yes,
So
you should be spontaneous. Yes.
yeah. So I know that I need to practice better. Yeah,
Hmm.
before.
Okay, but this is the question. Do you want an extra class with a teacher, or do you want to practice by yourself and move forward to the next unit? What is the best decision for you?
No, I would like to go to the next unit, please.
Hmm. Okay,
Yeah,
well, I'm gonna leave
I will practice by myself.
that comment on your profile, and we are ready for today. See you in the next one. Take care.
Thank you so much, teacher.
It was a pleasure. Bye bye.